99% of people can't even complete this for 3 days in a row. If you're someone who struggles with productivity, with sitting down at their desk and completing work they need to do to progress in their life, this challenge is for you. You will reclaim your life, your structure, your autonomy, your discipline, your productivity. You'll be able to sit down at your desk and complete work easily for the rest of your life. Procrastination will not be a problem you face after this 30-day simple structured challenge. The reason you struggle to sit down at your desk and be disciplined with your work you're completing is because from 4 years of age, the education system removes autonomy from your structure, from your productivity, from your discipline, which has ruined you for later life. Because when you leave the education system, you don't have this third party setting you the work that you need to complete day in, day out, day in, day out. They tell you exactly what to do. When you leave, you also lose this structure. You lose this plan set by other people, and this challenge that I'm setting will build on this skill that you need to become successful and progress in productivity. This skill is planning. It's the ability to plan tasks for yourself and complete them on your own accord without a teacher patting you on the back, making you do the work, telling you what work you need to complete. You need to have this skill of setting tasks that progress you in the endeavor you wish to succeed in. Hello, I'm Dylan. I coach lazy people to turn productive using tactical techniques and strategies that changed my life forever. And this simple protocol was the catalyst of my productivity success. I went from a gamer who spent 5,000 hours, 210 days on Call of Duty and other such video games, and now I effortlessly and easily breeze through large banks of my work for my business, education, and personal development goals because I know what I need to do. I plan my days, and this challenge will help you get to the same result. This 30-day structure is simple. You plan the day the night before. For 30 days in a row, plan the day forthcoming the night before with the criteria I'll place on screen now. Download this in the description or copy it or emulate it, but you need this structure and you need to set the task you're doing the next day the night before. It's utterly simple, but this one skill will bring you the success you desire, and if you complete 30 days, quite frankly, the success you deserve. It's so funny because it's so simple, but yet 90% of people who attempt this challenge fail. They get to 3, 4, 5 days and they give up. But if you're consistently planning the day forthcoming the night before, you will succeed in productivity. You'll be disciplined. You'll be consistently, sustainably productive, completing the tasks you need to complete because it's the habit of the successful. Quite simply, if you do not plan, you will fail. And if you really want to make 2025 the year that you prayed for, that you've dreamed of, then you need to build on this skill, build and reclaim your autonomy that was ripped away from you from when you were very young. It's entrained in you that you rely on third-party people, third-party sources like education, like your work, like your job, like your college, like your university, to place the structure of the day on you. It gets rid of your own accord. It rips this skill from you. It rips this structure of what work you need to complete and when you want to do it. And in this 30-day challenge, I want to help you reclaim it. I want to help you bring it back to your life simply. You may be wondering what tasks you need to set yourself. And I've got 4 solutions for you. So simply, the first task that I would prescribe anyone to do on the to-do list for the day is make your bed and tidy your workspace. It's so simple, so low intensity, but it will snowball you with momentum, with dopamine, with inertia into the task you need to complete during the day. It sets the tone of the day. When you make your bed, when you clean your desk, the workspace is clear, your mind is decluttered because you're in an environment that's clean, that's organized, allowing you to get into work easier because there's no friction. You don't have to clean your desk, and it sets this productive tone of the day because you're releasing the neurotransmitter of dopamine, the motivation hormone, every single day. You're building this habit where you start the day with dopamine, and it gives you this kick of motivation to get into the task you need to complete and tick off your to-do list like the productive, disciplined, consistent person you dream to be. The other task, any form of exercise. It's universal, whether you're striving to improve your business, to achieve financial freedom to aid your family, or whether you're revising for the exams that you're hoping to pass with A's. Exercise is very important, and everybody knows it intrinsically. Everybody's told it. Everybody understands that exercise is important, so place it on your to-do list, daily exercise. Number 3, use ChatGPT. Utilize AI to find out the tasks that are going to progress you and put them on your to-do list every single day. Find the tasks that are going to progress you the night before, place them on the to-do list the next day. If you're truly blank in your mind on what you need to complete the day forthcoming, use AI. It's incredibly useful to find the tasks you need to complete and to progress you in the endeavor that you wish to succeed in. And number 4, if you're looking to get more help detailing your day that you need to complete and utilizing productivity tactics and techniques, then the top link in the description will take you to a free meeting with me where I can analyze how to do just that with you. I genuinely pray you take action with this challenge, 30 days of planning the next day, the night before. It's so simple, but it will genuinely change your life. The amount of people I've seen utilize this protocol and make insane progression in their productivity, their discipline, their consistency with completing the work is immense. So please take action. If you do not plan, you will fail. It's as simple as that. So for 30 days, plan the next day using the template available in the description. Please take action.